Just north of Copenhagen you find Ortropgård, and we are not here to visit Ortropgård, we are here to visit their art garden. Is it worth coming all the way up here for a visit to the art garden? Let's explore.
I'm a weirdo, I'm a freak, no matter who I try to be. I changed my life, I changed my ways, I always wanted better days. I tried my best, I've been the worst, for all the lost and what it's worth. I always gave and then gave up, I found myself shit out of luck. I've done some sinning, but I'm a savior. They gonna love ya until they hate ya. I'm done with sinning, but I'm still not right. They're gonna eat you up inside. Don't stop, whether you like it or not. Whether you like it or not. I'm a slacker, I'm a geek, no matter who I try to be.
First initial impression of the garden out here is that it is extremely kid friendly. Right now I'm in the middle of an art piece. I'm at the top of an art piece. It was quite a way up here, and this is spectacular to walk up here. It is joyful for kids and adults alike, so definitely until now worth getting out here. But let's explore this garden a bit more and see if it is, well, somewhere you should absolutely go. I will give my final impression at the end, but first impression, oh, get out here. Let's see if I can keep that up, and let's see if I can get down from here, because this is shaky and we are pretty far up and I have a fear of heights, and I have to go down. So let's get down.
I'm a dumbass, but people love that, and they hate me as much as they show me the love. I'm a screw up, but I do it for all the freaks and the geeks, and for the ones who don't speak. I'm a dumbass, but people love that, and they hate me as much as they show me the love.
So all in all, the garden up here, definitely great if you have kids along. I stand by it and I will keep standing by it. There's even a water pavilion, which is a little bit of fun, but it only runs on certain days, on certain times, Tuesday to Sunday. So make sure you're up here at least at noon to see it all. But if I should give it any stars, I will give this as a free experience. It costs you 0 Danish crowns. I will give it a 5-star experience. If you have kids along, if you are an adult and only adults, 4 stars. It is definitely worth it, but there are a lot of kids, and if you don't have kids along, just be mindful of that. But besides that, definitely worth bike up here, do something, to take the train. There's S-train fairly close to this. You can even drive up here. They have an excellent parking lot, so definitely worth it. The museum, well, it will be for another day. And if you want to know something more about traveling around Copenhagen, all of these things from my travels, all of that, check out this video right here, where I will love to see you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you right over there. And let's explore some more.